Hello, and welcome to the Advist Group's project management video series. In today's video, we'd like to start with a topic project structure. That's why today we'll focus on how to set up a project plan and what benefits it can bring. Basic idea of the object-oriented structure. Content is organized around concrete objects or units. Objects represent logical or physical entities, such as components, systems, modules, processes, or real-world objects. Each object is considered independently and described in terms of its properties, functions, and interactions. A phase-oriented structure in project management structures a project based on the temporal and logical sequence of project phases. This method is based on the life cycle of a project and is one of the most common forms of structuring in classic project management, e.g. in the waterfall model. These phases could be, for example, the project start, project planning, project implementation, etc. We have already created a video that deals with the project phases. The basic idea of function-oriented structuring is to structure a project according to the specific functions or areas of activity that are relevant regardless of the chronological sequence or objects. The focus is on the tasks and responsibilities performed by different teams, departments, or disciplines. One task could then be, for example, the complete topic of project management. Another task is to dedicate itself to the topic of process design with the analysis of current processes, or to the training transition for the end users. But when do we use which variant? Here are the advantages of the individual variants. Object-oriented variant. Clear structure and traceability. The project is divided into concrete, tangible objects or units, e.g. systems, components, or products. Each object has defined properties, functions, and relationships, which makes planning and documentation easier. Secondly, modularity and focus. Objects can be planned and edited independently of each other. Teams can focus on specific objects without having to constantly see the entire project scope. Thirdly, reusability. Similar to object-oriented programming, objects that have already been created, such as modules or concepts, can be reused in other projects or parts of the current project. This saves time and resources. Now let's move on to the phase-oriented variant. An important advantage is the easy monitoring and control of the project plan. After completion of each phase, it is checked whether the set goals have been achieved. This allows for precise control of project progress. Project managers and stakeholders can make adjustments at an early stage if a milestone is not reached. Transparency and traceability. Each phase has clearly defined outputs and handovers, which creates a high level of transparency for all parties involved. Problems or changes are easier to track because all activities and results are documented. Risk management. The step-by-step approach allows risks and problems to be identified and addressed at an early stage. If unexpected difficulties arise at one stage, they can be better isolated and resolved without jeopardizing the entire project. Function-oriented project structuring offers several advantages. Clear responsibilities. Due to the division by functions, e.g. marketing, finance, the responsibilities are clear. This promotes efficient communication, avoids conflicts, and facilitates control. Technical specialization. Each area focuses on its core competencies, resulting in higher expertise, faster problem resolution, and better efficiency. Flexibility. The structure allows for quick adaptations to changes, as each function can be adapted independently. It is also scalable, so new areas can be easily added. This structure is particularly suitable for companies that need clear responsibilities and specialized expertise. We have reached the end of the video, in which we have learned the possibilities with a project plan, which helps us in the project structure. Thank you for checking out the content. We look forward to welcoming you back in our next video.